the mesmerizing Australian Black Tourmaline. An exceptional gemstone with an exotic heart, the hypnotic allure of Black Tourmaline is the elegant dark coloring and chic styling. Its fashionable facets attract attention, while its smooth black depths draw you inside its gorgeous heart. After all, it's been said that a little mystery is good for romance. With its simple styling and progressive designs, this is a gemstone not to be missed. Tune in and be enchanted with our Australian Black Tourmaline.